I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want a clean surface. Wipe dust and loose dry wallpaper away so the tape sticks. Start at one end, cut a strip long enough to overlap 2-3 cm past each joint. Once ready, peel the backing or expose the mesh and place the center of the tape along the seam, pressing gently with your thumb. Make sure the tape is flat and aligned. This prevents ridges later. If you hit a corner, fold the tape slightly to keep even contact as you go. Once the tape is down, load a taping knife with enough joint compound to feather edges. Start with a thin coat over the mesh, pressing firmly to force compound through the holes. This bonds the tape to the drywall and eliminates air pockets. Make sure to scrape excess back onto your mud tray and use longer, steady strokes to feather the edges about 8-10 cm out. If bubbles appear, lift the tape slightly, smooth the bubble out, and reapply compound so you'll let the first coat dry fully, typically 24 hours, then apply a second, whiter coat to blend the seam into the wall. Once the second coat cures, sand lightly with 120-220 grit to a smooth finish. Make sure to avoid sanding through the mesh. If you notice the tape lifting or bubbles after drying, cut out the affected section, remove loose tape, reapply fresh tape and compound, and feather the edges. This fixes adhesion problems and prevents future visible seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.